This year's theme at Cannes Lion is the future of creativity. At ImageThink, many of our clients turn to us to infuse creative thinking in their innovation process, and we certainly do. But we also believe that creativity shouldn't be limited to just the product, but really expanded to be part of the collaborative process. And it's not as complicated as you think. For instance, neuroscientist Wendy Suzuki's research shows that exercise stimulates the prefrontal cortex. That's the center of higher level cognitive functions, and many people believe our most creative mindset. So if you want your team thinking differently, why not frame up the brainstorming challenge and then ask everyone to go take a brisk 10-minute walk? When they return, they'll be in a better mindset. Another tip is, instead of dedicating one person to be the note taker, rotate and get everyone out of their seats in 30-minute intervals and keep them moving. For more easy creativity hacks and antidotes for the common brainstorming slumps, come to my masterclass, Breakthrough Brainstorms, on June 21st. In this 90-minute session, I will get you thinking, collaborating, and stretching your creative muscle so you can take these ideas back to your team and have bigger, better breakthroughs.